Question number 1. If log 3 to the base e is equal to 1.09861, then find the value of log 3 to the base 10. We know that the formula is log of n to the base 10 is equal to log of n to the base e into 0.43429448. This is the formula for the conversion of log of n to the base 10 and log of n to the base e. Now here n is equal to 3. So log of 3 to the base 10 is equal to log of 3 to the base e into 0.43429448. Now this value log 3 to the base e is given to us as 1.09861. So this multiplied by 0.43429448, and when we calculate it, we obtain this value as 0.4771. So log 3 to the base 10 is equal to 0.4771. Question number 2. Prove that log of 4 upon e to the base e is equal to 1 upon 1 into 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 minus and so on up to infinity. We will take up this question from right hand side. Our RHS is equal to 1 upon 1 into 2 minus 1 upon 2 into 3 plus 1 upon 3 into 4 minus and so on up to infinity. Now we see that the first term, that is 1 upon 1 into 2, it can be written as 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus, then the second term, that is 1 upon 2 into 3, it can be written as 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 plus the third term, that is 1 upon 3 into 4, this can be written as 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 minus and so on. This is up to infinity. This is our right hand side. Now when we take the first term of each bracket, that is 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, then we obtain this is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus and so on up to infinity. And second term, when we take of each, then it becomes plus, that is we are taking now minus 1 upon 2, then minus is outside and minus here also, so it will become plus 1 upon 3, and likewise then we obtain minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus and so on up to infinity. Now we know that log of 1 plus x to the base e is equal to x minus x square upon 2 plus x cube upon 3 minus x raised to the power 4 upon 4 plus and so on up to infinity, and this holds true when x is equal to 1. This implies us that log of 1 plus 1, that is log of 2 to the base e, is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 plus so on up to infinity. So 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4 is our first bracket. So right hand side becomes, this is equal to log of 2 to the base e, and the second bracket is our this, that is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So this will be equal to, our this value will be equal to log of 2 to the base e minus 1, this one. So this will be equal to plus log of 2 to the base e minus 1. Now simplify this, so it will be 2 log 2 to the base e minus 1, and 2 log 2 is 2 raised to the power, log of 2 raised to the power 2, which is log of 4. So log of 4 to the base e, and 1 can be written as log of e to the base e. So this will be equal to, with the property of log, this will be equal to log of 4 upon e to the base e, because we know that log of m minus log of n to the base e, this is equal to log of m upon n to the base e, and this is our left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved.